Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we're continuing issue 26 of our Ghostbusters Ecto-1 build. We have stage 97 right here. So let's go ahead, take the parts out, see what we got. And here we have the parts for stage 97. They are not very many actually, so that's a little unfortunate, but we do have the right rear door window frame. We got the bottom skirting. We've got a bunch of stickers, the exterior skirting, as well as a giant sticker to protect the window when we install it, which is clearly not going to be happening in this issue. Okay, to kick things off, I'm going to take the frame here. We're going to apply right along this bottom edge of the window here this felt sticker. So let's see if we can't get this off. And there we go. And this sticker is actually just a little bit long, so I had to snip just a tiny bit off to make it fit, but it is all in there now. Awesome. Then we're gonna pull the door out, and this frame is gonna slide in like so. Wow. Does not want to go in, does it? All right, and with this in place, I'm going to take this, we're going to slide it in here. All right, nice, clean fit. All right. Now on the back side here, we've got 4 slots. Here, 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 and here. We're going to use OP screws to hold those in place. And then along the bottom, right here, here, and here, we're going to use TM screws. Oh, we got a 5th right here. That'll be another OP screw. Sorry, in the instructions, it kind of blends into the background, so I almost missed it. And there you go. Look at that. Nice and pretty. All right, next up we're going to apply the skirting along the edges here. We'll start with the top and move to the edges. These are just stickers, so peel the back and throw them in place. Look at that! Look how pretty. Sadly, that is the end of stage 97. Man, maybe my memory is playing tricks on me, but I seem to recall these stages being a bit bigger than this. But that is the end of the video for now. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.